Hello there, students. My name is Lester Acevedo. I am your new English teacher. In the class of today, we are going to learn about the animal kingdom. Okay? So, the first thing we are going to do is to repeat or to know the animals. Okay? The name of the animals. So, I'm going to name some animal and you are going to repeat at home after me. Okay? Remember, the best way to learn a language is practicing, and the best practice to learn the language is just repeat. Okay? So, repeat at home after me. Lion. Lions. Good, very good. Next. Elephant. Elephant. Repeat. Elephant. Great. Crocodile. Repeat. Crocodile. Hippo. Frog. Turtle. Let's do it one more time, okay? Lion. Repeat. Lion. Elephant. Crocodile. Hippo. Frog. Turtle. Great, you did a great job, very good. So, the next things we are going to repeat are the actions. Excuse me, I'm going to the other side. So, here are some actions, okay, that animals can do and cannot do. So, the first is can, okay? What does can mean? Can mean that you are able to do something, poder, but it's different than power, okay? Power, this is the power, el poder de la fuerza, but can también es poder, pero es el poder de hacer algo, de estar dispuesto a hacer algo, de tener la habilidad de hacer algo, okay? Can. Climb. Repeat. Climb. 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 You got it? Climb. Yes. Drink. Drink. Eat. Eat. Fly. Fly. Repeat after me. Fly. Good. Jump. Jump. This is jump. Yes. Run. Swim. Swim. Talk. Talk. Okay, let's do it again. One more time. Repeat after me. Can. Repeat at home. Can. Climb. Drink. Drink. Eat. Fly. Jump. Run. Swim. Talk. Great, you did a great job. Okay, now here we have some question about these animals. Okay, excuse me again, I'm going to the other side and you can see clearly now. So there are some questions about what animals can do a specific action. For example, can a lion fly? Can a lion fly? Yes or no? What do you say? Yes or no? No. 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 A lion cannot fly or can't fly. So, we change the lion for it because it is an animal. No, it can't. When we add an apostrophe and a T, we are denying that. Okay? It cannot do that. Okay? No, it can't. A lion cannot fly. Okay? So, next question. Can an elephant climb? Can an elephant climb? ¿Puede un elefante trepar? Can an elephant climb? No, yes, you're right. No. No. It, we change it for elephant as we did it with the lion, okay? No, it can't, okay? Do you got the difference between this pronunciation? Can't, can. Can, when it's not able to do it, cuando no puede hacerlo. Can't. Can, cuando sí puede hacerlo. Next. Can crocodiles swim? Can crocodiles swim? Yes or no at home? What do you say? Yes. Yes. They can. So, you may ask at home, but teacher, why they here and why did you use it over here? Well, because here crocodiles are in plural, and when it is in plural we use they. When it's singular we use it. It for singular, for only one animal, okay? So, but here we have some crocodiles, okay? Crocodiles is in plural, and for that reason we use they, okay? Yes, they can swim. Okay, the last one is, can a frog talk? Can a frog talk? Okay, this question you are going to answer at home, okay? Right? Okay. Well, that's the class for today. Next class we are going to continue knowing more and learning more about the animal kingdom, okay? So, see you next class. God bless you.